Welcome to Timeless Stoic Life, where ancient wisdom offers quiet strength for the storms of the modern mind. If today feels heavy, if your spirit feels tired, you're in the right place. Take a breath and be here. No pressure to fix anything. Just listen. There are days when you wake up and just want to turn your back on the world. Not because you're weak, but because you've been strong for too long. And now, your mind, quietly, desperately, is asking for help. Depression and mental exhaustion are not signs of failure, but perhaps, within the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, lies a way out. Not to escape, but to endure and rise. We're often told to snap out of it, but the truth is, depression isn't something to hide. It's a sign that your soul needs tending. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome, once wrote, "Often remind yourself, nothing is forever, not even this sadness." Stoicism doesn't deny negative emotions. It teaches us how to walk through them, with reason and resilience, acceptance of what we can't control. Depression grows when we cling to things beyond us. Stoicism says, master your response, not the world. Simplifying life. The fewer our expectations, the fewer our disappointments. As Epictetus said, it's not events that disturb us, but our interpretation of them. Living one day at a time. Memento Mori. Remember death. Not to be morbid, but to truly appreciate life while it's still in your hands. Here are 5 Stoic practices to begin calming your mind. Write 3 lines every morning, what you're grateful for, what you can control, and what you'll release today. Sit in silence for 10 minutes, morning or night. Not perfect meditation, just presence. Read 1 Stoic quote each day. Logic is your anchor when emotion becomes stormy. Go outside. No headphones, no phone. Nature is the quietest therapist you'll ever meet. Live one day at a time. No pressure to be okay. Just exist fully. And that is enough. If you're hearing this on a heavy day, know this: you are not alone. And your feelings, they are real. They are valid. Stoicism won't make you stronger than others, but it will help you be strong with yourself. And maybe that's the only piece that truly matters. If this message touched something in you, don't keep it in. Share it with someone who might need a little light in the dark. You never know whose day might change from your quiet act of kindness. Subscribe to Timeless Stoic Life, a safe space to slow down, reflect, and breathe. New episodes come each week, offering stillness, strength, and the reminder, you are already enough. Be still, be strong, be gentle with yourself,